All right, so I found my nuts. They were actually in the freaking boat, and I didn't see them. Totally didn't see them. So they were the acorn style nuts, the end cap nuts. How the hell did I miss that? I don't know. Looks like there's no washers for them. Actually, you know what? The spacer is the washer. So those three goes on like so. It's getting dark too. I think the sun, I just said it already. It's getting a little bit on the dark side here. Those are 8mm. Oh, they're 10mm. Jeez. 10mm. Okay. So when those are all in, oh, you got your all your electrical plugs. So I think I redid the bullets on another video, so you guys could check that one out. So up here, there's two hooks one on each side up here. One over here and one over there. You guys probably can't even see it because it's so damn dark now. But yeah, you can sort of see one on this side and one on this side. I'm gonna put the tail light on the throttle side. I can't remember what's the throttle side or the clutch side, but I'm gonna do it on that side. Anyways, and the turn signals on the other side, and this one is the license plate light. I'm gonna put on the other side as well. So you need to get these butt connectors up. Actually, it might be better to do it the other way, but it'd be better to do it. Well, I think my cable is actually on that side, so I'm gonna leave it on that side then. So these ones are the butt connectors for your lights, and you just need to color match them. So remember, the green is ground, so it doesn't matter which one's which. But there's a purple and there's a well, maybe it's blue. I can't tell, and I'm colorblind. So it might be like a baby blue, and the other one's like an orange looking one. So oops, I'm gonna feed these back through. Actually, will they even fit through to begin with? Yeah, they were. They gotta be. Oh, geez, it's been 2 weeks since I did this. I don't remember anything anymore. That's a bad thing about you put something aside for a while. You forget about it. You're like, oh, when you come back to it, you're like, oh, what was what again? What was where? That's when you get screwed. That's how you get screwed up. That's how you screw things up. I can't remember if these plugs were actually, these turn signal plugs were actually in this little plastic thing or not. I believe it is. I don't see why it wouldn't be. I mean, these bullet connectors have yeah, they do have you do have things that keeps them from getting from the weather, but it's not totally 100% weatherproof. But then this plastic cover is not either, so kind of a moot point. Damn, there's like no space. No space in here, damn it. Okay, got 2 in. 2 of the longer ones in. Let's see if we can get the 2 shorter ones in now. Once I get them in, they shouldn't be too bad. The hard part is getting them in. I don't remember pulling these. I don't remember pulling these out, but I probably did, but I just don't recall. It was 2 weeks ago. When I took this apart. So I'm not 20 years old anymore, where I still had a sharp memory. It's the disadvantage of getting a little bit older. You're not as sharp as you used to be. Okay, now they're all in. Okay. Now just match up those colors. Let's see. So the purple one's right here. So you can see that. Right there. The orange one's also right here. Okay, those 2 are in. Those 2 are in, I believe. Try to push them in a little bit further. I thought I felt a click, or a little clicking sound or something. Right, so now for the ground, this is the one that's hard. That's really deep inside. Have to reach a little bit of the inside here. Let me grab my little light so you guys can see it a little better. So you guys can see a little better there. See how to hold this light in place. Not moving. Oops. Okay. So I got the 2 positives in, now we need to get the 2 grounds in. So that's the one that's gonna be hard. I might have to get like little needle nose pliers or something to reach in there. Shit, I can't see. On my headband, it's a little headlamp. That one's in. Okay, I think that one's in as well. They felt like they both clipped in. Let me push a little bit more just in case. Okay, I think they're all the way in. Well, at least as much in as I could push it. Okay, so they're all the way in. So here's obviously the I need to plug this one in too. Let's plug this in. So that's the tail light, brake light. Okay, that's in. Okay, everything's in. So it should all work now. It's in there. These two are in. Let's do this one first. No, wait. This thing doesn't want to go in first. Okay, god damn it. I'm gonna have to put this one over on this side. Like so. Okay. Okay. So now I got everything in there, so hopefully you guys can see that. Everything's plugged in here. The little cable guides here. Cable guides there. And that's, before I put covers up, let me test it and make sure the light works. My key in there. Let's bring this up. Okay, winky. There we go. So there's the that's the tail light. This is LED, so it's pretty bright. So that's the brake light, right? So tail light is on the outside, the brake light's in the middle. Let's do the turn signal. So let's do left. Okay, left. We got left. Let's do. Right. That was right. So now it's left. Okay, so we're good there. So it's blinking fast because I haven't put in the relay yet. Remember, these are all LEDs. So LEDs are kind of they have less resistance, so that's why they blink fast. Okay, oops, let me turn off the ignition there. Kill my batteries. Okay, so let me make a separate video on buttoning this part up.